You use Cegid Retail Y2 as part of your business at the head office or in stores. You want to know more about its use, how to configure it, or how to improve your skills on the software? Did you know that in 2022, Cegid is strengthening its support to help you answer these questions with complete autonomy? Indeed, the system is based on 3 complementary solutions that we put at your disposal. Cegid Retail Y2 online documentation, articles published by our customer care teams on frequently asked questions. Our e-learning platform, now available free of charge for up to 5 people within your company. To illustrate your need for support, let's take the topic Managing Transfers in Cegid Retail Y2. Online documentation. I need a functional description to know the different menus and sub-menus, and why not to have a quick overview on how to set up the main settings. With a simple click on retail-docs.cegid.cloud, I indicate the subject in the search bar. The online help shows me all the resources available to answer my question. I just have to select them. Articles published by customer care teams. I need to share experiences on frequently raised issues that may be relevant to my request. Visit the Cegid Life platform, my knowledge base, and discover the various topics covered. I indicate my theme in the search bar. I found the article I'm interested in. I can even share and rate it. The Cegid Retail Y2 e-learning platform. I would like to train myself, review my fundamentals in anticipation for an upcoming operation, learn about the good practices and management rules. In 2022, my company benefits from 5 free accesses. I am one of the declared e-learners, or if necessary, I contact my manager to find out who in my company has access to the platform. I log in via the e-learning address. I access the content of my choice and learn at my own pace. I can interrupt my training and resume it as many times as necessary at my own pace. We invite you to make full use of this comprehensive scheme developed to help you get to know and master Cegid Retail Y2.